I don't know if you all. I don't know if you all remember Aria, my dog. I had for my profile picture. I brought her into some videos. Yeah, she was always there. Well, today, my very well, yesterday she was giving birth multiple times, but she was sick. Like something had gone wrong. So that night, two little baby dogs were found dead. Like they were just born. They're not even licked off. We kept looking for her until 11 o'clock at night. That's 3 hours. Looking for her for 3 hours. We couldn't find her. Today, not even no sign of puppies, no nothing. Today, this morning, we found another little puppy where there wasn't one yesterday. So we knew she was still alive. And I was happy. So happy to think that I was gonna find her when I get home. That should be waiting for us. But my mom called me a little while ago to tell me that my father found my dog dead. My Ari dead. Behind one of her trucks. Where she usually gives birth, and we checked there. She wasn't there the first time we looked for her. And she died somehow. She bled out. I don't know what happened, but she's dead. She's gone. My dad felt sorry about her, and so he didn't want her to just be buried and rot with the worms and worms eating her. So instead, he burned her to ash, and now we have those ashes with us, so we can forever remember her, like our other dogs that have died over the years, our great companions. And it's gonna be weird living without one of my favorite dogs. To have a dog just always walking by you, sitting down next to you. We're good friends. And now she's gone.